We're trying to see if we can find the hot springs. All right, we're in Arizona for the weekend. We're gonna do some off-roading. We're just north of Phoenix right now.
Okay, so we're here, Bloody Basin Road.
Bloody Basin Road.
It's gonna be so fun.
Filming his
We're
video
gonna go,
for his channel.
Yeah, we're gonna go all the way, like, I don't even know.
We're gonna take it down to Sheep Bridge. It's gonna be a lot of fun.
I have no clue, but we're just gonna like go on a loop and stuff, so it'll be fun. We're with the whole fam from Utah. All right.
So we're just a few miles into it. There's a ranch off to our left here. We're just kind of dropping down into this little canyon wash. I think there's gonna be some water up ahead. Oh man, no water today it looks like. I was hoping for an exciting water crossing, but maybe there's more coming up. All right, Shane, where are we at?
We're up here at Pueblo de Plata.
You can tell there were structures here at one time. So there's lots of old pottery pieces that are found too. It's really neat.
Hi.
Famous Papsky.
Yeah.
Hey, we got duck today. Pretty excited. If you notice here, we don't have our Gladiator. We actually had to get a rental. It does have 20-inch rims on it, but we're being careful. So we'll see how that works out. All right, so we're came into kind of a canyon area, beautiful mountains around, and all right, we're about a hour and 45 minutes into our drive. We've took it pretty easy, stopped and hiked a little bit, seen some ruins. We're in a really cool valley going up it right now. All right, so we got this cool little plant I wanted to show you. I don't know what it's called. If you do know, please leave it in comments. But it's like a really red, I don't know if you can see it, but it's like the cool red bark. And it's just kind of first one I've seen. All right, there's been lots of these cool little water crossings, just a little bit of water, but makes it a little fun, change things up. All right, so we just got to, I think, the highest point. We're about to head down. This is Bloody Basin, with all the cool peaks in the background, with the furthest ones way over there, the Four Peaks area. We're gonna head down the road right down there. So this is so beautiful. Can't even definitely can't tell on camera how pretty it is, but All right, so we're getting close to Sheep Bridge. We're heading on that last stretch. We're probably maybe 8 or 10 miles away is a guesstimate. The road's really rough through here, and we got those wonderful 20-inch rims on. So we're kind of running low pros, but it's a rental. We don't have much of a choice, and we're gonna try to make it. Ooh, somebody went off there, huh? That one's a bad one. Somebody looks like they brought a car they shouldn't have.
Okay.
I just wanted to give an honorable mention to this beautiful saguaro cactus there. That thing's one of the more epic ones we've seen. All right, so we made it to Sheep Bridge. Really cool. The rental Jeep made it down here, and so did Jezebel, Pappy's Jeep. And we'll see if we can make it out. But I better go take a closer look at this bridge first. All right, so this is a Sheep Bridge at the end of Bloody Basin Road. We're walking out on it. So there used to be another suspension bridge here, and they replaced it with this newer one. All right, so I hiked over the bridge and found a little trail that kind of goes up on top of this rocks that the bridge is connected to, so you get a really cool view of the whole area. Truman made it up here with only one hand and never spilled a drop, huh?
I ever did you.
We're trying to see if we can find the hot springs. All right, thanks guys, see ya. Bye. You too. Oh, this is really cool on the way in here. It's like a tunnel to get in. Kind of hidden, but there is a pretty well-beaten trail coming in here. So I didn't want to sneak up on the people in there while videoing, so I had turned off the video, but they were like cool, so. All right, so we made it to Sheep Bridge on Bloody Basin Road. It was really awesome, really beautiful. Don't underestimate the last 10 miles. It's extremely bumpy and rough. Definitely take a high clearance 4x4 with good light truck tires. Thanks for watching.
How did, oh, it worked.